welcome back to my channel. I'm Ritukapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review mini Lujo box for the month of October. So this is the bag which I have received. Let's just quickly unbox it and see what all it has. But before that, let me tell you the price. Price for mini Lujo box is 490 rupees for a monthly subscription, and they have longer subscriptions as well. But before unboxing, let me tell you that I got this box through Scriber, and by now I guess you must be knowing what is Scriber. Scriber is a website through which you can get almost all these subscription boxes, and they have amazing offers always actually, which is amazing thing. And this time on the occasion of Diwali, they have come up with a huge contest, which is, let me explain you that, which is if you buy product or let's say subscription box worth rupees 499 rupees, you will get chance to spin the wheel. And now let me tell you what is the best part about this contest. The best part is whenever you are spinning the wheel, you will get a assured prize, which is super nice. And you know what? Prizes are worth rupees up to 1 lakh rupees, which is huge. So you don't really have to do anything. Whenever you're buying anything worth rupees 499 rupees, you will get a chance to spin the wheel. And whenever you are doing that, if you are lucky, you will get prizes worth rupees up to 1 lakh rupees. And yes, you will get a short gift. So I think it's super amazing offer. I totally loved it, and that's why I'm telling you. And don't worry, I will be mentioning everything in the description box. Now let's quickly unbox the box, my mini Lujo box, and see what all it has. So first thing is this bag, which I have already showed you. It's a cloth bag, and this is the zipper here. This is the inside. It's black in color. And this is the info card. I have already taken out the stuff from it, the products from it. So this is how the bag looks. And now let's start with the info card. This is the info card. It says mini Lujo box edition for October month. Let's start with the first product. The first product is the peeling and exfoliating foot mask from LuxaDerme. And this is how it looks. It says it's a peeling foot mask, helps eliminate dead, dry skin from your feet to reveal clean, smooth and soft feet, infused with actives like AHA and BHA for exfoliation and 30+ botanical extract for nourishing feet. The price for this one is 750 rupees. Now moving on to the second one. The second one is by Color Absolute, and this is a golden eyeshadow. The price for this one is 550, and let me just show you. This is how it looks. And once you open it, this is the color. I've already told you it's golden. And let me just use some here. So let's see the color. Yes, it's very pretty gold. Just have a look here. I don't think so it's visible on the camera, but it's very beautiful gold shade. This is how it looks. 550 is the price. So quite useful product, because golden silvers are the color which are always needed in your makeup kit for highlighting purpose and everything. Now let's move on to the third product. The third product is by Kasca, and this is the Naked Red Nail Paint. This is how it looks. The price for this one is 533 rupees. Red color, yes, beautiful red color, though I'm not really a big fan of red, but most of us like red color, unlike me, and today I'm wearing red, so yes. Yeah, so pretty red shade. 533 is the price. Now I'm left with the last one. The last one is the Pea Safe Aloe Vera Panty Liners, and this is the one. So there is no price for this one. It's a complimentary gift, so I can't tell you the price, and this is the last product in the box. So that's all what I have received in my mini Lujo box for October month. And the contest about the Scriber, I have already told you, so I would suggest, guys, go ahead and participate, because you will be getting a short gift, which is super amazing, and prizes are up to 1 lakh rupees, which is super amazing again. So yeah, that's all for today. I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye bye.